Hi everyone! Today we'll learn how to make a beautiful paper snowflake. Simple, quick, and fun. Take a rectangular sheet of paper, such as printer paper in A4 or letter format. Fold the left edge of the paper to meet the top edge. Align it carefully and crease the fold. Take scissors and cut off the rectangle on the right side. Fold the triangle in half and crease it again. Fold the right part of the triangle. Flip it over and fold the paper once more. Take a pencil and draw a pattern by following my example. A small tip: don't press too hard with the pencil while sketching the design. If you make a mistake, it will be easier to fix and erase with an eraser. Cut the paper along the drawn lines. By the way, I'll share a simple trick for cutting snowflakes a bit later. Unfold the paper. And here is a beautiful winter decoration we've created. Tips for cutting. If cutting the snowflake in one go feels challenging, here's an easier method. Unfold the paper and cut just a few layers near the pattern. Then proceed to cut the remaining layers.